Hi guys, welcome back to another Dashing Diva nail video. Today we are going to be doing this really pretty lilac color and these really pretty shimmery ones. I'm using my base coat and top coat from OPI, and let's just get started. We are going to apply a base coat, pretty heavy all over my nails. I love to make the base coat a little bit thicker just because it's a great barrier between the nail strip and our nail. I don't know, it's just what I do. I just like a nice thick base coat before I apply the nail strip. Tell me this isn't one of the prettiest lilac colors you've ever seen. I'm just showing you everything that comes in a kit like this. It comes with a nail file, a prep pad that you can wipe your nail down before you start applying. I rarely use it, but it's nice to have. I like to take little tweezers just to help me apply the strip. As you can see, my nail had broke, so I have a little nub on this one, but it's okay. All right, so just remember, as soon as you place the sticker, just press it down all the way. Make sure you get those edges and it's completely pressed down. Now, taking the nail file, you kind of want to be slightly aggressive when filing the nail. So you're just basically almost cutting the nail strip off your nail. So, don't be afraid to get aggressive and really get all the edges so that it fits your nail perfectly and it just kind of rips off. And I'm just going back and forth with the lilac color and the really pretty sparkly one. I didn't have a rhyme or reason. I just kind of was like, I'm gonna wear this color and then this color. They both looked really good together. And don't worry, I will leave the sets listed down below in the description box so you can grab one of these or both of them because they look so cute together. And as you can see, I'm measuring the strip to my nail. That's super important, just so that you can make sure you're grabbing the correct nail strip size for your actual nail. I swear I always do my right hand so much better than my left. And I'm right-handed. I don't know how that happens, but I always like how the right hand always turns out. As you can see, I'm slightly like pulling the nail strip. Just remember to do that just so you can get a really nice like tight fit against your nail. And I love the finished product. This looks so cute. I'm telling you, you have to try this set out. Now I'm going in with my top coat from OPI. You can absolutely use any top coat you have at home. This is just what I have on hand, and actually I think I need to buy a new bottle because, like I've said many times before, I am so generous with my top coat when I'm doing the Dashing Diva nail strips. Honestly, I really see a difference with a base coat and top coat. It literally makes these strips last for so long. My last set lasted me about 4 weeks. Sounds crazy, I know, but no lifting, no nothing. They lasted for that long. So if you want to see your nail strips last longer, I'm telling you, try a base and top coat. And one of my best tips, as you can see, is applying your top coat at the edges of your nails. Literally, this, I think, makes it last even longer. It helps it from like the strips not like grabbing onto any like fabric or lint or sticking to anything, because it's literally almost like a sticker, right? So when you use the clear top coat, it's like acts as like a sealer, you know, it's not gonna move or go anywhere. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me in today's video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.